Um, I didn't really enjoy learning English, just because it was hard when I was in school to communicate with everybody. But I don't think it was that difficult for me. It took me about a year and a half to be able to communicate with other students and stuff at school. Um, Areas that I found challenging, probably, mm, I don't know, maybe probably like some vocabulary and stuff. Like some words are similar to Spanish, but they have different meanings in English. I don't remember ever being bullied. I did like sometimes like feel left out, like when there was people speaking English and I didn't know. My parents, well, my mom, I moved here with my mom when I was 9. Um, she moved here because she had lost her job over in Colombia. So it was kind of like necessary for us to move. So I mean, if I had been in her position, I would have done the same. At this like when at the time when she did make the move, didn't I didn't agree with it because I was leaving like my life over there, my friends and everything. But I feel like having moved over here, I have a lot better opportunities than I would have had whether I had stayed in Colombia. I don't find myself uh, treated differently because of my race, because I feel like where we live, like in Florida, like right now I live in Miami, it's a lot of Hispanics and stuff, so um, I don't really feel different in any way. I feel like actually I fit more in. When I was in ESOL, they taught us English like through computer programs. Like they used to give us little books, and we would just have to answer the questions. We would go up levels and stuff, and we would earn like certain points, and they would have like at the end of the week they would have a winner, and they would give us prizes. So I think that was a good way, especially like with the computer and stuff. It was really helpful. Um, like also not this wasn't in school, but like I used to watch TV with my uncle and stuff. So I actually think that that helped, like, practice the English and understand it better. From the ESOL program, it was basically just like learning English through the computer and stuff. I don't I don't remember us doing anything else really other than that. And I mean, it was just like at a certain time of the day they would used to take me out of regular classes and take me to the ESOL program. I think it was about an hour a day, and that was for about a year. And then they said that I was ready to just stay in regular classes. Okay. Hardest part of learning English, like I said before, is probably like the vocabulary, and also just like the accent and stuff. I did feel pretty uncomfortable with that at first, but yeah, like I mean now I feel like I've gotten a lot better at it, and like I feel like I speak English better than I do Spanish now because I speak English everywhere and Spanish just at home now. Um, some things I liked about the school, I think I was pretty fortunate because they put me in the same class as my cousin, so she was there kind of helping me, um, like with the work and telling me what everything meant and stuff. So I mean, I think that was really good. I don't know if they do that with all students, but it was really helpful. And how did moving to the U.S. affect my family? I moved here just with my mom. Um, So I mean, we left a lot of our family behind. So I mean that's been kind of hard. Just missing them and stuff. But I mean, like, and my mom, she my mom, she's still like doesn't speak English that well. So she's going to school and stuff now. So she's gained a lot of opportunities that she wouldn't have had in Colombia as well. Um, but yeah, it's just kind of hard the fact that we had to leave our family behind. Moving to the United States, I feel like it probably was a necessity because, like I said, like my mom had just like been laid off from her job, and like the situation over there, it was like really hard. My mom was like kind of like the one maintaining like her grandparents and stuff, so she had to move over here and like make money over here to send back there. And like I said before, like I feel like I have a lot more opportunities over here than I do over there. Like I was actually there this summer, and like my cousin and stuff, she's having like a really hard time being able to go to college and stuff. So like I feel very fortunate to have been given the opportunity to be here for that. My my mom had really good expectations about schools in the U.S. My aunt was actually teaching at the school where I was going to be attending, so we kind of knew like what to expect. It's really different from over there though because like over there, for example, you have to pay for school, like for elementary school, and everything, and also like the free lunch, the free books. It's really different from over there. But also like the only thing is that I feel like school over there is like a little bit more advanced. Like like this things that I had been learning in second grade over there, I ended up learning in fourth. But yeah, other than that, we had really good expectations about the schools over here. Um, it was like I said, it was really easy for us to find a school here because my aunt already worked at the school, and also my two cousins were attending the school, so we didn't really have any problems finding the school. The only problem was that when I did come here, the school years are different. Like over there, the school is like year round from January to December. So when I came here after my school year over there had ended, but over here it was in the middle of the school year. So I ended up having to repeat a grade because of that. So that was